Before getting this camera, I have researched this camera, guys, for about 8 months, believe it or not, because like I said, it doesn't come cheap. And so hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Adele Awili. If you're new, welcome. I'm a content creator. I'm the content creator behind the fashion blog Passion Heavily, which is a fashion blog for modest style, where I share my personal modest style. I share a little bit of my faith, I share my family life, I share lifestyle, travel, and all that good stuff on my blog. So if you're interested in any of those things, be sure to check out my blog and subscribe to my newsletter. I'm also very active on social media, especially Instagram. So if you're also active on Instagram, check my page out, Passion Heavenly. If you like what you see, consider giving me a follow. I also post on my Instagram stories of my daily life, my family, and everything I'm up to in real time. So be sure to check me out on Instagram as well. Okay, so as you have seen in the title, I am unboxing my camera. To be honest, this is not my first camera. This is actually my second camera, but I want to say but it feels to me like this is my first camera because the first camera that I have is actually the Canon T5, and it was just kind of complicated for me because I'm not that technological savvy, and so I had to just kind of get this one to be able to help with my pictures and of course YouTube. Today's video, guys, is really an exciting one for me because I've been blogging for about 5 years. It's gonna be 5 years in November. That's crazy to say, but I've been blogging for about 5 years, and if you know anything about blogging, pictures is a major part of blogging. And so this camera, even though it doesn't come that cheap, I consider it an investment because that's the kind of person that I am. I love to invest in things that will last me for a very long time. And starting my YouTube, I just thought, this is the right time to actually have a camera that does both. I can use it for YouTube and I can also use it for my blogging business as well. Before getting this camera, I have researched this camera, guys, for about 8 months, believe it or not, because like I said, it doesn't come cheap. And so I always give myself that time to research, and YouTube has always been a big resource for me. Anytime I need or I want something, even all the way to shoes or even my handbags, I always come to YouTube. I always check who's had it before and just kind of hear people's opinions and their thoughts and reviews on that particular item I'm looking to get at that time. And that's exactly what I did with my camera. Like I mentioned, I've been researching this camera for about 8 months, and I just thought it's the right time right now for me to invest in this camera because if you watch my channel all the time, you know that 2-3 weeks now was my birthday, and so this camera is actually part of my gift to myself, for my blog, and also as my for my blogversary, and also for my birthday. So without further ado, let me show you what camera I'm talking about. I actually got it from Amazon, and this is how it came in. I've actually opened it. However, I didn't open the camera or anything like that. I just opened it. I just checked because sometimes when they're packing all these packages, they can miss a product. So that's why I decided to just kind of open it and just check and make sure that everything that I ordered is actually in the box and I'm not missing anything. So this is what the box looks like, and it has this packaging. Ladies, this obviously is the bubble wrap that always comes with all the packaging. Ladies, quick tip: this wrap I always use in storing my bag, and I think my bags, and I think I'm probably gonna do a video on how to store your bags and how to kind of take care of your bags and stuff like that. But anyways, for now, we're talking about the camera. I'm not gonna throw this out. I always use it, like I say, so I'm just gonna put it on the side, and this is what is in the box. So in no particular order, I'm just going to show you everything that I got in this order. So the first thing I got is actually a case. So it looks like that. Okay, it's a case for the camera itself, and that's what it looks like. Like I said, I haven't opened anything. I'm actually unboxing everything in front of you guys. So it's just a hole. That's what it is. That's what's in there. Yeah, so it's just a case to help keep my camera so that it wouldn't get ruined or anything like that. I think it has a small pocket, a zip pocket here. Yeah, but I don't think I'll be using that. But I can actually maybe put SD cards in there, but I don't know. Anyways, this is a case I got to store my camera in. Next item I got is a glass screen protector. That's what it looks like. So I'm going to use that to, just like my iPhone, I always have a screen protector on all my devices, my iPad, my phone. I have the screen protector. I think it's a tempered glass. Yes, it's a tempered glass. If you guys can see, just to kind of stick that on my camera. The next thing I have in this box is extra batteries, because from the reviews that I've heard, that I've watched about this camera, the battery doesn't last for a very long time. So I decided to get a third-party battery, and it comes like that. So this is like the jack for the battery. So it comes with that as well, and then it has the battery. There's actually 3 batteries in there. Let me open it for you guys so you can see. So that's what the battery looks like. So it goes in there. Let me just show you guys. So the battery goes in the dock, stays in there, and then you just plug it to the wall and it charges the battery. So I'm just gonna put that there. So the next thing, which is very, very important, I want to say is as important as the camera itself, because the camera can't even function without it, is actually the SanDisk SD card, and that's what it looks like. So I got the 128 gigabytes, and it's also 4K because the camera has a 4K processor, and my iMac also is 4K. So just to have a seamless transfer between all the devices. And I've heard great reviews about this particular brand, SanDisk, and like I said, it's 128 gigabytes 4K, and the speed is up to 170. So that's a recommendation to go when getting that camera that I have. Okay, so the next thing is actually the camera itself, guys. Oh, I'm so excited. I'm so happy. This is what the camera looks like. Okay, it's actually the Sony ZV-1 camera. It's 4K. It's actually for content. It's called the content creation made simple. Like, it's the content creators and vloggers camera. Like, Sony specifically made this for bloggers and vloggers. And oh, I'm just seeing this right now, guys. It says limited edition colored windscreen. You know, wow, I didn't even know that. Anyways, let me open the camera with you guys. Oh my god, guys, I'm so excited. So when you open the box, you have all the booklets that always comes with all the devices. So that's what it is. I'm just gonna drop it in the box right there and open it. So that's what it looks like in the box. And it has a dead cat. The wind, I think it protects the sound for the wind. I don't know why they call it dead cat, because it's so stupid. I don't know. Anyways, the camera came with its own battery. You can see how small it is, and yeah, it works. It actually works great with the dock that I bought, which is awesome. And it comes with a cord. Comes with the cord. Okay, guys, so let's take out the camera. That's what it looks like. Let me put this here. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. This is what the camera looks like. It's a flip out screen. Can you see that? So I decided to go for the white color, just because, you know, I'm not, if you know me, I'm not a big fan of black, and so if there's any other color apart from black, I will go for it, and that's what I did. And that's what the camera looks like. It says Sony right there. That's what it looks like. Again, it has this is one of the features it has that made me buy this camera. See that? It closes in and out and it flips like that. Okay, and it's like that. So it has, this is the amazing thing, and this is why I got this camera, because like I said, I don't like too many buttons or functions in a device. It just kind of confused me. So with this one, let me close this. It has just, you know, just the buttons that you need, right? It has, this is the, I think the on and off button, which is the red one. Oh, sorry, no, this is the off and on button right there. So I think this is record. If you want to start recording, this is where you put the dead cat. You put it right there if you're vlogging outside. And you can put your microphone here, microphone jack here. So that's what it looks like. Oh guys, look how pretty this white color is. So pretty, so beautiful. I cannot wait. Oh my god, guys, this is beautiful. This is so beautiful. And because I was actually treating myself, like I said, I decided to buy the whole bundle, and the bundle comes with the Sony's vloggers, it's called the Sony vloggers kit. So it comes with its own tripod right there. Let me see if I can open this up and show you guys. This is amazing, guys. This is a dream come true for me. I've been wanting to change my camera for the longest time, but I wanted something that was easy to use. You know, I wanted something that wasn't complicated. You know, just straight to the point. Oh, it actually comes with the SD card as well, 64 gigabyte. Wow, I didn't know that. That's awesome. That's really awesome. So yeah, so I chose this camera because I needed something straight to the point, nothing complicated, you know, just something that works for what exactly I need it for. So that's what the vloggers tripod, I believe that's what's called. So let me open this for you guys as well so I can show you. So it comes like that, packaged like that. Oh, and it has again all the papers. Comes with that. And what is this? Oh, it actually comes with the cloth, and I think a battery. Comes with like a battery and a, is it cleaning cloth? Oh no! It's like a dust bag. It's like a dust bag, guys. You know, if you have been watching my channel, you know that I love everything that has dust bag. I love dust bag, and I utilize them. I use them. Oh wow! So that's what it looks like. That's what it looks like. Wow! Look at that, guys. That's what it looks like. You can open it up and right there. So let me see if I can just kind of screw the camera on it. It kind of took a while to screw this in because I was kind of careful, like I didn't want to drop it or anything like that, but so far it's okay. Obviously I'm still trying to kind of I'm still gonna play with it and try to understand how to use it to what I need it for, but in the meantime, so it has the movie button right there. It has a picture, and then it has a lock button right there. Can you guys see it right there? And yeah, so far that's what I can see. So if you open, so when you open the camera itself, you know, it's going to ask you for the language, obviously. I'm going to select English, but I'm going to do that at my own time and just kind of set up the camera, you know. Yeah, so just kind of set up the camera for later on, again, to just kind of get acquainted with the camera. But for now, this is what the camera looks like. And I also bought it as a set, again, as the vlogger's kit. It came with the camera, of course, and then it came with the tripod. Having said that, I do have a tripod I've been using for my phone for a while. This was the tripod I was holding in my what video was I holding this tripod? Oh yeah, it was my last video. I think it was not my last video. It was the video that I shared my Mac. If you haven't watched that video, I will link it in the description bar below, and I'll also link this. Can you see that? That actually goes together. Yeah, so I've actually been using this tripod and I absolutely love it. It does exactly what it's meant to do and even more. So with this tripod, it actually kind of opens up as well, like that. It opens up and you can even turn it into a selfie stick. So that's one of the reasons why I like it. So yeah, I use that and just put my phone on top of it and hold it like that. Very sturdy. Absolutely love it and recommend it. But so yeah, guys, so that's the conclusion of today's video. I will be in videos to come. I will be sharing more of this camera. I'll do a proper review of the camera. Today's video is just an unboxing of the camera for you guys to just see the camera. But as I progress and I use it, I will do a review down the line, just to kind of share my thoughts and how it's working for me. Thank you so much, guys, for watching today's video, and don't forget to check out my blog, www.passionheavenly.com. Check me out on Instagram, and yeah, so if you like today's video, give me a thumbs up, click the notification bell, and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.